Your life as a VR headset starts at the factory line. You are being assembled, put together like an AI from Terminator. After years of Zuckerberg drawing out your parts, you're finally, years later, being put into a box by a random worker. You get taped up and sent into a van, sent out to be shelved in a random store. Now you're being driven around the country, and you end up in a shelf at a random Best Buy. You sit there waiting and waiting. You're thinking about your new life that's gonna come, and you're super excited for all the possibilities. And then one day, a random kid decides to point at you and pick you, and now you know it's your time to show out. You come home after being checked out at the store, and you're unboxed. Controllers taken out and lifted up to see a kid with hopeful eyes, and you're hoping that this kid doesn't dump you later, just like how the toys were dropped in Toy Story. You see the kid put you on his head for the first time and explore the settings, the menus, and look for games with a slight hint of disappointment because all the games cost money, and we tend to forget that every time we buy a headset. But your life is just starting. Here comes the adventure. You're being used to play many games, overcharged, even though in the big 2024, we know that overcharging a VR headset is terrible. Many games are being installed. The human is looking for games, whether it's legally or over the seas, if you know what I'm saying. You see this funny little human play Gorilla Tag and play Gorilla Tag and play Gorilla Tag. Yeah, so the funny little human only plays Gorilla Tag, but that's okay though. Again, it's the big 2024. We are not judging people for playing their favorite games anymore. But for hours and days on end, you see this funny little human watch J-Man Curly and play VR, play Pavlov, play all these games, and you're just having an amazing time. You now have an endless amount of games stored. Whether they were paid for or not does not matter, okay? But then, out of nowhere, a sudden darkness comes forth. Out of nowhere, the blinds are shut. And out of nowhere, your life, its meaning, has ended. For some reason, the funny little human didn't come pick you up today. For some reason, the funny little human didn't pick you up the next day. And the next, and the next, and the next, and now it's been about 1 month. Suddenly, you're collecting dust, wondering, how did this happen? What's going on? How could this happen to me? Where did I go wrong? Was there a tornado? Is the funny little human on vacation? Why is this happening to me? Do I deserve this? Is this karma from bullying all the other VR headsets in the factory line? Is it even worth waiting anymore for the funny little human to come back and save me? Is there anyone to save me? No, you wonder. You start to wonder if there's a way you can pass the time. Maybe it's all in your head. So you try to count sheep, but by the 5,000th sheep, you're at 1% battery life, and you're tired of it. This is the darkest moment of your entire life. You wished that you could just go back to the good old days of being in the factory line, making fun of your brothers and sisters and parents. And then one day, as you're about to die, headset 1%, there's a light, a shining bright light that gets bigger and bigger, and you see a hand reaching out to come grab you. It was as if an angel was sent down from God to come save you from your misery. And then you realize, once your eyes are fully adjusted to the light, that the funny humans are back again, and you feel this sense of relief. The funny human puts you in the charger, waits, and the cycle repeats. You feel like your old self, tons of games being played from Gorilla Tag all the way to Gorilla Tag, but you don't care. You don't care that the funny little human only plays one game and pretends to be a monkey. You're just glad that this little guy wants to play VR again. It's the only thing that brings you joy. It's the one thing that you live for. And you hope that this continues forever. Or will it? You're confused. You don't know what's to come. But you've learned one very important lesson, and it's to enjoy the moment. Don't think about the past, don't think about the future. Guys, this video is about more than just VR. Live in the present moment. Never worry about the past, don't worry about the future. Don't worry about if things are gonna end or if things are gonna start. If you have it, you have it. Enjoy the moment. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know. Peace.